There are 5 lessons that if you use these 5 small lessons can and will change your lifestyle, will change maybe how you see yourself. So when you learn these 5 lessons, and they're so simple, guys, there are things that probably you do every day and just don't realize it. But when you give them realization, when you give them focus, you're going to find out that what you are doing, maybe you need to take another step with that, or maybe you need to just expand your vibration on that. Whichever way it might be for you, there are changes to be made. And that's okay, because we all have changes that we do every single day. So to get to where you want to be, if you're still struggling right now, it's October, and if you're still struggling right now and you're still not getting the focus, you're still not getting it, and maybe you're just waiting to see what happens with the world or whatever it is. One thing I can tell you is never wait on a bigger entity, okay? Because that bigger entity is not the power you want to have focused. You want to focus on you, yourself, what you're doing, and L-I-F-E, life. Okay, and when you focus on you and what you're doing and make it as simple as possible, why would you want to make everything harder than it has to be? Why would you want to do that? You don't want to do that. So we got five guys. That was 5 guys. Okay, I got that. That was a pun. Okay, guys, I got it. Okay, number 1 out of the 5 is work hard, but don't put money first. Now, I know you're going to say, oh, Christy, you've told me before, don't work hard. It tells my mind that I'm not going to have it. I'm never going to have it. I'm never going to get it, because if I have to work hard, my subconscious isn't going to kick in. That's true, and that is a given. What I mean here by working hard is you have to stay focused on what you want, but don't ever put money first. Okay, what are you doing? Are you working with integrity? What is your passion? Are you working with passion? Are you filling that full with gratitude? Are you letting that flow forward? Working hard is not saying, I'm ready to work myself to a bone. I'm ready to, work hard to not get anywhere. I'm not doing that for a moment. Whatever it is that you're saying to yourself. But use work hard to fuel you getting up in the now, getting up in the morning, saying, today is a great day. Today I am grateful I woke up. I'm grateful I'm happy. I'm grateful I have my toothbrush, my toothpaste, my shower, my coffee, my routine, whatever it is. You should have things to be grateful for. If you wake up in the morning and the first thing you think about is all of the bad that's happening in your life and all the negative that you didn't get done yesterday, if you're thinking about all of these things when you first wake up, then you've already set your intention. There you go. There it is. You've set your intention on the past. You've set your attention on yesterday's gone. You cannot change yesterday. It is already here, there, gone. You cannot change it. So think about that, okay? Number 2, give without expectation. And what do I mean by that? Is give freely from the heart. Give your time. Give training. Give, it doesn't have to be money. Give things. Give whatever it is. Give from the heart without expectations. If you expect to have something back for what you give, like for example, if you gave money to a friend and you expect them to pay that back, if you're expecting that, if you're giving it freely without the intention of being paid back, if you're just giving it, then if you're expecting it to be paid back to you at a time or whatever, then what you're doing is you're putting a wall up for yourself that's blocking you off from actually receiving anything else because you're still expecting that to come back to you. Because when you give with expectation, you're expecting it to come back, so therefore you're putting a wall up. And you may receive things through other people, you may receive things from other people's vibration, but you're not going to receive back through your vibration unless you give without expectation. Okay? This is very important. Ready? Number 3. 3 is to be present. What does that mean? Of course you're here. You're right there. But when you can be present and show up and see the people around you and be happy they're there and be happy for what you have, be happy for what you're doing, be happy that you're able to be, do, and have the life you have. Be present in the now. Be present this moment. Why not be present for everything you want to have come forward for you? Why not enjoy and embellish and really feel how good it feels to be present now? Granted, how you feel today will flow over into your tomorrow because it is vibrational energy that connects to the universe, that connects to all of us and everything around us. So take a look. Are you present now? How are you feeling? What are you doing? What are you saying? What are you having passion about? What is your intentions? What are you doing? Are you happy for the people you have in your life? Are you happy to talk to them? Are you happy that they're there? Are you happy, happy, happy? Take a look at that. That's very important. Okay? Number 4. Wow, this is going fast. This is amazing, guys. You guys are spectacular. Live with integrity. Okay? Be proud of who you are. Your integrity says a lot about you. When you live your life, your day, every moment with integrity, don't you think more people want to be around you? Don't you think more people want to trust you? The know, like, and trust you factor that's involved in anything we do, which is a huge part of online marketing, and it's a huge part of attraction marketing. So I know a lot of you out there are network marketers. I know a lot of you out there listening to my broadcasts are internet marketers. Maybe you're just doing some coaching. Maybe you're doing, a different type of video marketing or whatever you're doing. Live with integrity. You know how important this is for your business, for your lifestyle. Not just that, for you in general. Because how you present yourself is how people will see you. And how you see yourself is how people will see you. So think highly of yourself. Be sure of yourself. Live yourself with integrity, but live yourself with love. Have self-love for yourself and have compassion for those around you and compassion for what you're creating. It is a given, guys. It is a given. Okay, ready? Here comes number 5. Oh my gosh, number 5. You guys are going to love number 5. You know what it is? It's so spectacular. Lesson number 5 is smile, laugh, and don't take life too seriously. You are going to have ups and downs. There's things that are going to work out. There's things that aren't going to work out. Number 2, don't listen to the news. Do you know? I'm just going to get this part of lesson number 5 is the mainstream media broadcasts all across the channels on a 440 hertz bandwidth. A 440 hertz bandwidth is a bandwidth that has a way to irritate our senses. It is not a bandwidth you want to listen to. It is a bandwidth that causes us to have irritation. It causes us to be angry. And also, if you're listening to the news and you're trying to smile and laugh and you're trying not to take life too seriously, how can you do that when all the news has is bad news? If you want to know something, number 1, don't listen to CNN, don't listen to Fox News, don't listen to MSNBC, don't listen to CBS, NBC, or whatever stations there are out there today. Don't listen to them. Go to the source. Go to the source of what you want to hear about. Go to the source and see what they're putting out. Go to the source. If it's government, go to the government site, the actual government site. You can get transcripts of different things on there. Go there, read it, look at it, see the videos, see it firsthand, live, yourself. Don't take anyone else's interpretation of it. So smile and laugh. Stay away from the negative. Stay away from the news. Stay away from all the crap that's floating around out there. It's not going to do you any good. It's not. Regardless of where you stand or what your beliefs are, the news it's all trash. And nope, nobody's paying me any money to say that. I did it all by myself. So becoming the person you want to be, when you become that person, when you are that person, that the person that you would follow, that you would insightfully get inspiration from, that you would see motivation from, the person that you would definitely say, I can listen to you and I know you're true and I know you're honest and I know you're going to give me the right feedback. That's the person you want to become. You want to become that person. You want to become that person that if you are in internet marketing, if you're in network marketing, attraction marketing, which is all combined, it all interlocks together with each other. If you're in that field or anything online, if you're growing a team, if you're growing a business, if you're growing a coaching program, whatever it is, be that person that offers value, okay? Be that person. This is part of all the lessons of 5 combined. Become that person that is giving that value, that is giving that inspiration, that is giving that insight. When you become that person, not only is your life going to unfold for you easier, but your life is going to unfold for everything you have imagined throughout your time, for everything you have in your vortex, for everything you have there. Your life is going to unfold. Okay? It's a given, it's a plus, it's everything you need. And I always have something for you. I always have training. I always have an offer. So always check the description and see what we have for you today. You know, whatever you choose to do, whatever you choose not to do, it's always your choice. It's always up to you. So if you're stuck, if you're lost, if you're floundering and you're trying to get where you want to go, use that part of the 5 lessons. Reach out. Reach out to someone who knows how to do this. Reach out to us who are already doing this. Reach out to us who do video marketing. Reach out to us who do content marketing, which is all combined, guys. It's all combined. Okay. Use these 5 lessons. 5 lessons to change your life. It's so simple and yet so hard, because it's hard to make changes. It's hard to change habits. But you are learning how, and you're doing fabulous. Okay? I will talk to you later. Like, share, subscribe, and have a super blessed day. Bye-bye.